is Kausal and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. So before starting today's video, I would like to wish you all a very happy Dasai. Today's video is about Dasai craft. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step making of Dasai craft. So I recommend you all watch the video till the end so that you don't miss anything.
Start with the lid, make 2 holes in the lid and then insert a galvanized iron wire inside the holes. The length of the wire should be double as the height of the man or the miniature model that we are planning to make. Cut thermocol to make the head of the model. Assemble the body parts as shown in the video. So once we are done with making the miniature model of the boy, so we are going to make the tree now. Cut the slim bottle as shown in the video. After cutting the bottle, make sure you screw the sides and tape it. Also insert the straws for making the branches. Use straws for making the model of bamboo swings. Join 2 straws as shown in the video and then tie them up. Now we are going to make the miniature model of the girl. For this, twist the galvanized iron as shown and then tape it. Make the legs and the hand using straws. Adding tape gives dimension and also makes it stronger. Head is made using thermocol again. Now we are making the seat for the swing. For this, a cardboard is used. Ropes from used disposable masks are cut down and then they are used again for making the rope of the swing. You can see how ropes are made by tying them together and inserting it inside the seat. Now we are into modeling the face of the miniature model. For this, molding clay is used. This is the first time I am molding a face. Literally, I am very bad at this. Time for the second face. This is how we fix the face over the thermocol head. Now we made the shoe. And here we are making the charkhi for holding the thread. This charkhi is also called latai or firki in some of the languages. So we are providing base for our bamboo sticks. Miniature of our bamboo stick. Why we provide a wider base is to make the structure stable. We join all the pieces together and tape them. Here in the tree, we cut the straws and made the sub branches. We took water and added some Fevicol into it. It's 1 part water and 1 part glue, and then tissue paper is cut into smaller pieces and the pieces are laid over all the plastic elements. So you might have a question why I am doing this. It's because we cannot paint directly on the plastic because we are using some acrylic paint, poster color paint, and that doesn't sit over the plastic. Do the same for all the models that we have made. So once all this is over, now time for the most interesting part, that is painting. The tree is painted using brown. I have already taken various shades of brown. The Chautaro is painted using red and grass is made using green. The t-shirt of lady is also painted using green. Well, I found a place to dry it. Paint the seat using brown. Now turn for painting the miniature model. For painting the pants, blue color is used and the t-shirt is made using yellow color. The skirt of the lady is made using a tape and then later we'll add color into it. For making the hair, the same tape is used. This tape is like a rubber and it's got glue on both of its sides. Over the boy's head, the black color hair is added. Small leftovers are added to detail the head and the results are amazing. Paint the skirt using red. Now we'll take very little of golden color, very little, and then just put slightly over the tree trunk. Marker is used to detail the tree, Chautaro, the t-shirt of the lady and the guy, and also the faces. I am adding stripes over the t-shirt of the guy. I found this foam in my storeroom. Shred it into smaller pieces using finger or even the scissors as shown in the video. I've already prepared a green color using stainers. I don't want to stain my hand, so I'm using a glove for mixing those. Soak it properly and mix it well. Let it dry for more than 24 hours. Now we are going to extract copper wire from these wires. Cut the upper layer properly and then pull out the copper string. Care should be taken as it may cut your hand. Now cut a thermocol or any light material for making the kite. Paint the kite using some bright colors. Time to paint the swing. It's painted using green color. You can leave the fine lines so that it looks like a bamboo. Here I am adding some dots over the girl's t-shirt. Use clay for making the fingers, hand, feet or shoe. Assemble everything that we have made and glue them together. Failed in this part because the copper wire cannot take the weight of the kite. So we cut it down and again used iron wire because it's got more elasticity. This time we used Fevikwik to seal them. Tie the ropes to the bamboo end. Our swing is ready now and the girl is ready to swing. Once the threaded leaves are dried, totally dried, we'll add Fevicol on the branches and then sprinkle the leaves. I think it's time to clean the table. Now we'll cut down strips of thermocol for making the borders. By using a pin or a screw, we'll make it into a rectangular shape. I got these grasses from my backyard, so if you are in countryside, you can get more grasses. So all the models on their places and cover it with grasses. So this is the final look.